Hey, how you doing? Merry Christmas, by the way. So I put up a quick video about these orbs here. I got hundreds and hundreds of images and videos, all of which are my own. I don't have anybody else's stuff on this channel. But anyway, back to the orbs. I noticed that they all got like a top to them, a little knob, if you will. They often travel in pairs, and although all of them have a different look to them, there's a lot of similarities in them. This is from a different video here, but this thing's got a, man, like a containment field or something on the inside. But anyway, back to the tops. This top here and this bottom here seem to be some kind of magnetic opposition to one another, and it causes this field to be contained as it travels along. And they come in such a variety of shapes and colors. I'm just beginning to wonder if they aren't possibly alive in some kind of way. These here were taken at an extreme distance with a telephoto lens. That's why they kind of look funky as far as the clarity goes. But then again, I just wonder if this isn't actually a very clear image, and these things are just shaped this way, and they're constantly morphing as they travel along, whatever electric or plasmic energy fields that they're made out of. I honestly don't know. I mean, they just come in such a variety and incredible different shapes, but they all have like a top unit, and it's kind of hard to determine sometimes where that unit is because they will just fluctuate as they travel. Uh, Interesting as can be, if you ask me. Now we're getting to what this video is about. It's just a quick little video. I was last winter standing at my porch, sliding glass doors there, and I'm always watching for aircraft and things like that going by. And I saw this thing in the distance. I actually visually saw this when I didn't pick it up on infrared first. I saw it flying, and I'm fumbling around trying to get the camera set and this, that, and the other. And long story short, I got one camera to sit still on the tripod and just let it run while this thing was going to pass by what I knew would be the field of view of the camera. So that's why the video is so short, just as it was going by there. But this little freaking red thing here, completely opposite of what this unit here is, and yet it has the same angular shape as this right here. And what this thing does is it travels along. It's just fascinating to me. I mean, because basically what it does is duplicates itself in flight, and it just looks really wild. I actually had somebody try to tell me one time that this was an airplane, and I'm like, yeah, okay. So just go ahead and watch this. And I got at the end of it, I got it another version of this slowed down a little bit so you can see a little better what's going on. And then in between the video and the slowed down version are some screen grabs of whatever this thing is. again, look at the shape of this thing. I mean, really. I don't know if this is the actual shape or if this is just a plasmic field that's being generated by whatever power unit this has. But it sort of reminds me of the tether videos with this chunk taken out right here. Although it's a much smaller version, I do see a similarity there. Ain't that something? Well, that's all I got. Have a good one.